Discover your musical potential, Yannis Kapa guitar. Today, in this week's video, we're gonna learn F major chord. Okay guys, this is the F major chord. You put your first finger on the first fret, okay? The whole fret. And then you put your second finger on second fret, third string. Then you put your third finger on third fret, fifth string. And then the pinky finger, you put it on fourth string, third fret. Now remember, for those of you who don't have a good grasp over the bar chord, it just takes practice. And then you just put your finger only and then press. Now remember, you put your thumb right across your first finger in order to have a good grip over the fretboard. And then what you do is you take the first finger and as you press, you put a little bit of pressure sideways, just enough. And there you have a clear sound. I know it's gonna hurt a little bit, but that's how you're gonna do it for the first time. And that's how you're gonna get it right. And that's your F major chord. F major chord? Oh man, do I have to learn the bar chord? It's really hard. Do you have anything else? Not to worry, there's another F major chord without the bar chord, which is a lot easier, and I'll show it to you right now. So this is how you play the non-bar chord F major. You put your first finger on the first fret, first and second string. Second finger goes on third string, second fret, and third finger goes on fourth string, third fret. And if you want, you can add this. You can add the third, you put the third finger on the third fret, fifth string, and the pinky finger on the third fret, fourth string. And that's your F major non-bar chord. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.